Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create miniature effect in Photoshop. And also we will dive deeper into making selection with the use of quick selection tool and polygonal lasso tool, clearing background with the use of content aware fill and clone stamp tool, applying transformation command, and using gradient for creating reflection effect. So let's get started! So here in the document, I prepare here people playing basketball. And the first step we're going to do here is we're going to create a selection on the subject that the miniature effect will be applied. So to do that, going on to the layers panel, select on the background layer, then go to the toolbar, go to the fourth tool, right click on it and find the quick selection tool. That's how it looks like. And then for the options panel, I'm going to select on this, add more selections, and then we may now start making selection on the subject. All right, there you go. So we just have to add more selections. Let's go and get the polygonal lasso tool in the toolbar. Yes, this is how it looks like. Then let's add some selection. So yes, that seems good to me now. All right, now let's zoom this one out. And then once we already have this selection, let's press Ctrl plus J to create the layer of the subject. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. So going back, the next step we're going to do here is that we're going to remove the subject that we selected to our background from this layer. All right. So to do that, let's create a duplicate layer of this background layer. Press Ctrl plus J. That's the background copy. Okay. And then I'm going to press Ctrl and then click for us to bring back the selection that we created around the subject. This one from the thumbnail. So there you go. The selection is back. And then once we already have the selection, let's go to the menu bar, go to select, then go to modify and choose expand. All right. So we'll expand it by 5. Hit OK. And then go to the menu bar, go to edit, and then choose on content aware fill. We can see here the outcome. All right. So as you have noticed here on this part that the stairs are copied. So we're going to remove a part from here. All right. There you go. So that won't copy. All right. So look at that. That's much better. Hit apply. All right. There you go. And then hit OK. All right. So press Control plus D. So there are still things that remains there. So we have to fix that with the use of a clone stamp tool. So with that background copy layer selected, let's go to the toolbar, find the clone stamp tool, or just press S for the shortcut key. That's just how it looks like. All right. For the options on top, I'm gonna make use of a soft round brush, opacity to 80%. Now to use this one, I'm going to press Alt, get a sample. All right. Then let's remove this part here. Okay, there you go. It's gone. Okay, just like here, get a sample, and then let's fix this part. There you are. Right. So let's clear out the floor. Now that seems good. Then the next step here is let's bring the subject layer visible. There you go. And then, okay, let's name this one as subject. All right. So from this subject layer selected, press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command. And now we may now start shrinking the subject. If you're good with the position, then hit enter. Okay, now the next step here is we're going to create a reflection from the floor, right? Just like on this part, right? So to do that, from that subject layer selected, press Ctrl plus J. From that copy, let's name that one as reflection. And then let's put the reflection layer at the bottom of subject. So click and drag it at the bottom of the subject layer. There are. Press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command. So once the transformation command is out, right click on it and then choose on flip vertically. All right. And then let's bring it down there. All right. Right. Hit enter. And then from this reflection layer, go to the add mask icon. Yes, click this one. There you are. Selected on the layer mask thumbnail of this reflection layer. Go to the toolbar and find the gradient tool. All right. So this is the gradient tool looks like. And then from the options panel, yes, click this one so that we may change it. Let's go to basics and then choose on the first one. All right, then hit OK. All right, and then we may now start applying the gradient to create a faded effect on the reflection. And then from this reflection layer, to make it more realistic, go to the menu bar, go to filter, go to blur, and then choose Gaussian blur. Right, so from the radius, I'm just going to set this one, just to give it a little blur, around 3 pixels, then hit OK. And there you go. Now that looks natural. So the next step we're going to do here is we're going to apply the miniature effect on the ball. Okay, so to do that, go to the background copy layer. Once it's selected, go to the menu bar. Let's get the quick selection tool. Right, let's create a selection around the ball. Press Ctrl plus J to create a layer of the ball. Press Ctrl and click on the thumbnail to create a selection back from the ball. Go to the menu bar, go to select, go to modify, choose expand. Expand it by 5. Then, once we already expanded the selection around the ball, make sure that you're selected on the background copy layer. Go to the menu bar, go to edit, go to content aware fill. Okay, so we can see here how it looks like. Yes, that seems good. Hit apply and hit OK. All right, so actually this is now what we have. Now let's get the comb stamp tool, fix a little bit. All right, looking good. Then let's bring back the ball layer. Let's go and select the ball layer, press Ctrl plus T. Now we may now adjust the position of the ball and also the size. All right, then let's put it on top of the subject layer. There you are. So that's it. Now let me show you the before and after. So this one is the before and this one is the after. And that is how to create miniature effects in Photoshop.